Good evening, students. Today we will read poem 1, Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American writer, poet. He has written many poems, and all poems of Robert Frost has deep meaning. Dust of Snow is also have a deep meaning. And before reading poem, we will read some difficult word which is very important for us. Shook means jerked and cast off. Means हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस, जर्क मीन्स एकदम से झटके से कोई चीज़ गिर जाना. एंड डस्ट मीन्स फाइन पार्टिकल, very little particle of the snow. And hemlock a poisonous plant. Hemlock tree is a poisonous plant with white flower. And this is the winter season, and there were too much snow all over the area. And symbols, crow is the symbol of sorrow here, sorrow or mourning. Mourning, mourning. Mourning means sorrow, dukh, grief. And hemlock means poison. And hemlock symbolizes as a poison or sorrow here. The objective of the poem is to enable the students appreciate the beauty rhyme style of poem. Second objective of the poem is to develop the thoughts and imagination of students. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A B C D C D. This rhyme scheme has been explained by me after reading the poem. Now we will read the poem. First, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from the hemlock tree. The way means method. That method by which the crow shook the snow particle, the particle of snow. In this poem, poet was standing beneath the hemlock tree. It is very difficult. It is very cold and snow is falling there. This is the winter season, and crow is sitting on one branch of a tree, and its wings was covered by the snow, fine particle of snow. The crow shakes itself, and the snow fall on the poet who was sitting under the hemlock tree, this poisonous tree. Has given my heart a change of mood. Poet was sitting in sorrowful mood or mourning mood. When the particle of snow has fallen from the tree while shaking the wings of crow, that changed the mood of the poet and saved some part of a day I had ruined. Means पोइट यहाँ पर ग्लूमी मूड में है, सैड है, और वो हेमलॉक ट्री के नीचे बैठा हुआ है, खड़ा हुआ है, और जैसे ही स्नो के पार्टिकल उसके ऊपर गिरते हैं और उसका जो मूड है वो चेंज हो जाता है, और मूड चेंज होने से उसका जो सम पार्ट ऑफ डे मीन्स जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है दिन का, वो र्यून होने से, र्यून मीन्स ख़राब होने से बच जाता है. In English we can say this little incident bring about a sudden change in poet's state of mind, and he feels that it has changed or saved the rest of the day. Now he won't let his day be waste simply because the snow is falling there. Like the crow, he too will shake off his inertia and go about his business as usual he was going there. And uh, these lines, poet wants to explain here that uh, if any mm, if any part of little incident can change the life of the person, in the same way that the dust of snow has changed the mood of the poet and saved the life remain part of the life of the poet. Students, dust of snow has its main theme, that is communication between the nature and human. It gives the communication between the nature and human, and nature healing and helping with negative human emotions, because the poet was standing in uh, negative emotions. He was standing in gloomy mood, and crow has changed the mood of the poet. And the significance of the small nature events. This poem this poem published in 1923 in the book New Hampshire. And next thing of this, hemlock tree is a symbol symbol of poet's sad heart, and dust of snow is the sorrow that has settled on the poet's heart, and the crow is the shake that poet experiences in his heart. Now this poem has finished, and I hope you have understood this poem.